Hi and welcome to today's session on surface area of pyramids. So I'm going to be working out the total surface area of the pyramid. So that means working out the area of the square base and the area of each four of the triangles making up the three-dimensional shape, adding those together, and that will give us the total surface area of the pyramid. Now I'm going to be giving a slightly more complex problem because if we've been given the height of our triangles, we can substitute this straight into the formula. But for my example in just a moment, I'm going to be showing you how to work it out if you're only given the height, so the distance between the apex and the centre of the square, instead of being given the height of the triangle. So I'm going to be using this formula here, b squared plus in brackets 2 times base times s, which I'm using for my height of my triangle. This might not be obvious, but the b squared is the area of the square. The 2 times b times s is the area of the four triangles, because the area of a triangle is height times base, divide that by 2. So height times my base divided by 2, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. If I was to multiply that by 4, it gives me 2 times base times the height of my triangle. Substituting in some values just to see exactly how this works. First of all, I need to find out my value of the height of my triangle. To do this, I'm going to use Pythagoras, where I'm going to be using half of my base squared, because this point here to this point here is half of this length, plus my height squared, which is going to give me my s squared. Substituting in the values. To work out single s, obviously going to square root everything on the left hand side and right hand side, which gives me s, the height of my triangle, being 8.14 centimetres to 2 decimal places. Now I can substitute in 8.14 and 3 into my formula, which gives me 57.84 centimetres squared to 2 decimal places, which is the total surface area of this square base pyramid. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.